Good morning. How's it going today there, YouTube? Well, got a very cool, crisp Sunday morning up here in Queensville today. This is, of course, Thanksgiving Sunday, so I wanted to wish everyone out there happy Thanksgiving if you're up in Canada here. And, well, don't have any new tractor videos for you guys this week. I haven't done nothing out here, of course. Everything's kind of in winter hibernation out here right now anyway. I got to cover this W4 up here still, but I'll figure that out. I figured what size tarp I need for both these tractors. I think it was a 16 by 12 is what I got last time. Anyway, it's kind of thick in there last week. Since we didn't have any 2020 show videos, I'm gonna pick through my 2019 highlight reel there and put together a little clip show of, you know, crank starts and parade footage and whatnot, and riding around the steam shows and whatnot. I think you guys are kind of like that, so it's kind of something for you guys to watch. I know the show videos are usually one of my most popular topics here during the year, but of course with COVID this year didn't have any shows at all. So anyway, you guys are new to this channel. 1828 there, I rehomed it last year. Spent pretty much its whole life out in eastern Ontario, out in kind of the Brockville area. So of course last year I got the new trailer, brought the tractor here, took it down to a few shows last year, so at least in 2020, you know, I made up for the mileage that it missed this year. Last year it had 4 shows last year. Of course I brought it from out east to the Lindsay show, and then home, then backed out there for their show, back up here for Cookstown, and then Milton, of course. And I put it back in the shed, and well, this year didn't go from the shed to the back gate. I didn't even drive that tractor to the back gate this year. Even though before I didn't drive it all that far. I went from here down to the stop sign and circled around and come back. So oh well, hopefully things will be better next year. And anyway, I just thank you guys for watching as always, and enjoy the highlight reel here.
your mom, yeah. Anyways, this is a 1937 Cockshaw hardware tractor. It's an 1828 horsepower. Driven over by Curtis Graham from Keswick. Curtis at the controls here today. This tractor's factory rubber tires. This tractor's bought brand new by Curtis's great-grandfather. It was formerly owned by